For this beef bulgogi, you need 1/2 cup water, 5 tablespoons soy sauce. From a can of pears, take 3 pear halves and half of the juice and crush it. 2 tablespoons sesame oil, 2 tablespoons sugar, 4 garlic cloves chopped finely, 4 tablespoons ginger chopped finely, 1 tablespoon black pepper. For a smoother sauce, you can combine all those items in a blender and spin it till smooth. This is the type of meat that I use to make bulgogi with. USDA choice chuck roast. Okay, before I'm slicing this meat, I'm going to cut it and then put it for about an hour in the freezer so it's a little bit firmer, so I can slice it in my bread slicer that has a attachment for slicing meats and veggies. Okay, I cut it this way. Then I will wrap this into my Glad cling seal. Okay, let's see. Okay, and now I'm going to put it for an hour in the freezer section to see if it's nice and firm. Now we're going to pour the sauce in that we ground up in the machine. There we go. And now work it in real good with your hands. Don't be afraid of the sauce. Now cover it with Glad cling wrap or any other wrap you have, and then stick it in the refrigerator overnight. Remember, just to soak it at least 3 hours if you want to cook it before the next day. Here we have an empty bowl to put the cooked bulgogi in. You do not want to cook the bulgogi all at once, just a little bit at a time. Here is our overnight marinated meat. I'm heating up the skillet for the first batch because you only cook it fried in very small batches. So I put a little oil just for the first one. I don't like my skillet to get messed up because it's a non-stick skillet and you should never put it on high heat without anything in it. Okay, you just have to wait. Okay, the skillet is on 400 and let's hear that sizzle. Don't overfill the skillet.